Want to know how to grow a thriving bonsai tree without spending a fortune? Before we get started, hit that like button, subscribe to the Bonsai Barn, and turn on notifications so you never miss a bonsai tip. Stick around, because at the end of this video, I'll reveal my top budget-friendly bonsai tip that'll change how you care for your tree forever. 1. DIY bonsai fertilizers. Fertilizing is key for bonsai health, but store-bought options can be pricey. Here are 5 DIY fertilizers you can make at home for free. Banana peel fertilizer, potassium and phosphorus. Chop banana peels and bury them in the soil or soak them in water for 24 hours to create a nutrient-rich liquid feed. Eggshell fertilizer, calcium for strong roots. Rinse and dry eggshells, then crush them into powder. Sprinkle onto soil for a slow-release calcium boost. Compost tea, balanced nutrients and beneficial microbes. Steep decomposed compost in water for 24 to 48 hours. Strain, and use it to water your bonsai. Coffee grounds fertilizer, mild nitrogen source. Dry used coffee grounds, then sprinkle lightly on the soil or mix with compost. Fish emulsion fertilizer, fast-acting growth booster. Blend fish scraps with water, let ferment for a few weeks, then dilute before applying. Remember to check each tree's requirements before applying any fertilizer. Which DIY fertilizer will you try first? 2. Budget-friendly bonsai soil and repotting. Instead of expensive pre-mixed bonsai soil, try this affordable mix. 50% pumice or perlite, found at garden centers for cheap. 25% lava rock or grit, helps with drainage and aeration. 25% organic compost or pine bark, retains moisture and nutrients. Repotting? Instead of buying bonsai pots, check thrift stores or use shallow plastic containers with drainage holes. 3. Free or cheap bonsai trees. Instead of buying an expensive pre-trained bonsai, try nursery clearance trees. Look for discounted small shrubs or young trees. Growing from cuttings. Take cuttings from existing bonsai or backyard trees and propagate them. Digging up seedlings. Many trees sprout naturally in parks or gardens. Just ask for permission before collecting. 4. Affordable bonsai tools. Bonsai tools can get expensive, but here's how to save. Pruning scissors. Instead of specialty bonsai shears, grab sharp sewing or garden scissors for precise cuts. Wire cutters. Standard hardware store wire cutters work just as well for bonsai wiring. Chopsticks and toothpicks. These are perfect for aerating soil, testing moisture, and guiding root placement. Bonsai doesn't have to be expensive. With a little creativity, you can grow beautiful trees on a budget. So here's my top tip for bonsai care on a budget. Repurpose items you already have around the house. You'd be amazed at how many tools and materials can be repurposed for bonsai care. Things like old kitchen containers for pots, chopsticks for root work, and even plastic bottles for watering. This will save you a ton of money and help you get creative with your bonsai care. Which budget-friendly bonsai tip did you find most helpful? Drop a comment below. And if you want more bonsai tree care tips, check out my other videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the Bonsai Barn, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new bonsai guide. See you next time.